Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about the derivative. So now I want to show you how to answer. The first thing we need to put about Fn, that is about natural log for the both sides. Next, we have the second formula in here. Fn8 to the power of b equals to b Fn8. So capital A, that is about s, capital B, that is about s to the power of 8. And now this one we transform into this one, and we have s to the power of 8 Fns. Next, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides. So first derivative of this one, we have first derivative of y over y. This one we can apply the product rule of derivative. This one, that is about as to the power of a minus 1. This one, that is about the product, the power rule of derivative. This one, that is about the product rule from here. So this one we have 1 over s. So this one multiplied by this one, we will have about s to the power of a minus 1. So we have s to the power of a minus 1. We can do about factorization. Next, we multiply both sides by y. We know that y, that is about this one. And here is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.